In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file to Claude AI and get it analyzed in seconds. Whether you're working with data for work, studying spreadsheets, or just want quick insights without manual effort, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know in an easy and clear way. First, open your Claude AI account in your web browser and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. This is where the entire process begins, so take a moment to confirm you're signed in properly before moving forward. Next, look at the chat input area and click on the attach icon. This is the small paperclip symbol located at the bottom right corner of the message box. This button allows you to upload files into the conversation, which is essential for data analysis. Now, here's an important detail you need to know. Claude does not support Excel XLSX files directly. Instead, it only accepts CSV files. Because of this, you'll need to convert your Excel file into a CSV format before uploading it. To do that, open your Excel file on your computer. Click on File, then choose Save As. From the File Format options, select CSV, delimited as the format. Save the file in a location that's easy to access so you can quickly upload it in the next step. Once that's done, return to the Claude AI chat and click the attach icon again, just like before. This time, upload the CSV file you just saved from your system. After a moment, the file will appear below the chat box, confirming that it's ready to use. Now it's time to tell Claude what you want to do. In the prompt box, type a command like, "Analyze this data set for me." This lets Claude know that you want insights and analysis from the uploaded file. Finally, click Send and Claude will immediately begin analyzing the CSV file. Within seconds, you'll start seeing useful insights generated directly from your data, making the whole process fast and efficient. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can upload Excel data to Claude AI, convert it correctly, and get instant analysis without hassle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart and easy tutorials.